Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing very good. This is your grammar class, and my today's topic is chapter 11 Simple Present Tense. In this chapter, we will learn about simple present tense, its meaning, and its uses. First of all, what is the definition of tense? What is tense? Tense is a form of verb that indicates the time or a state of an action and event. टेंस क्या है? ये वर्ब की एक फॉर्म होती है जो कि इंडिकेट करती है किसी एक्शन या इवेंट के समय और स्टेट को. टेंस इज ए कैटेगरी दैट एक्सप्रेसेस टाइम रेफरेंसेस. ये टाइम रेफरेंसेस को शो करती है. टेंसेस आर शोन बाय यूजिंग डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब्स. और टेंसेस को शो किया जाता है डिफरेंट वर्ब्स के साथ यूज करके. द वर्ड टेंस कम्स फ्रॉम द लैटिन वर्ड टेम्पस, और इसे लैटिन वर्ड टेम्पस से लिया गया है. नेक्स्ट इज टाइप्स ऑफ टेंसेज. वी हैव 3 टाइप्स ऑफ टेंसेज इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense verb refer to present time. Past tense refer to past time, and future tense refer to future time. Next is classification of tenses. Tenses are further classified into 4 categories on the basic of state of action: simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, perfect continuous tense. Now we will discuss about in this session simple present tense. Simple present tense describe an action, an event or condition which is occurring in the present. प्रेजेंट में होने वाले किसी एक्शन, इवेंट या कंडीशन को डिस्क्राइब करता है सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. एट द मोमेंट ऑफ स्पीकिंग और राइटिंग, जब हम कुछ लिख रहे होते हैं या बोल रहे होते हैं. सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस एस और ईएस प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. वी हैव प्रेजेंट टेंस in different uses. We can use it at present action or condition. एक ऐसा एक्शन और कंडीशन के साथ हम यूज करते हैं जो प्रेजेंट में हो रही है. लाइक आई हियर यू, here comes the bus. Next is with the general truth, like the sun rises in the east. Next is non-action or habitual action, like I like music, I got up early in the morning. Now we have 3 parts of simple present tense: affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and question sentences. First of all, affirmative sentences. It is used to make a positive simple present statement. Simply follow this pattern. सब्जेक्ट और मेन वर्ब को एस और ईएस लगा के हम सिंपल प्रेजेंट स्टेटमेंट को बनाते हैं. लाइक आई, यू, वी, दे, इनके साथ क्या लगता है? वर्ब. ही, शी, इट, सैम, इनके साथ ईएस. द नेक्स्ट इज negative sentences. Negative sentences structure are subject plus does not or do not plus main verb in base form. For example, Peter bakes delicious cookies. Peter does not bake delicious cookies. My classmates like our history teacher. My classmates do not like our history teacher. It's a conversion from simple to negative sentences. Next is interrogative sentences, yes or no. When we talk about the questions, we have to follow the same structure as given below. Do or does plus subject plus main verb in base form. Look at the example to understand it in a better way. You like ice cream. Do you like ice cream? She lives in New York. Does she live in New York? They study in the same school. Do they study in the same school? So all these are interrogative sentences. Next is, we already discussed about the structure for affirmative and interrogative, like do or does plus subject plus verb plus object plus question mark. Like, does she hate going to the movies? Here, does is a verb. She is a subject. Hate is a main verb. So, when we talk about interrogative sentences with WH, then the structure will be WH plus helping verb plus subject plus verb plus question mark. Like, where do you go? What do children like? The next is negative interrogative simple present tense. The structure will be do or does plus subject plus not plus verb ki first form plus objective. Like, do you not play? Do we not study? When does she not sleep? What do you and Geeta not play? Does she not do work? Why does my brother not laugh? Do they not look like personality peoples? Okay, students, it's all about your chapter simple present tense. It's too simple to understand. Let's do on page number 71, 72, 74, and 75. Let's start with part A. You have to complete the sentences using simple present tense of verbs. The first one is David studies for the 5 hours every day. Studies. The milkman dash the cow every morning. Milks. I dash cotton clothes in the summer. I wear. The next is the sun dash in the east. Rises. In part D, you have to correct the following sentences. I am not understand the lesson. The answer will be I do not understand the lesson. Second is we does not draw the pictures. We do not draw the picture. She do not speak English. She does not speak English. He do not agree to help me. He does not agree to help me. In part F, you have to use do or does and change sentences into interrogative form. The first sentence is you pay your fees regularly. The answer will be do you pay your fees regularly? She pay her fee regularly. Does she pay her fee regularly? We write our homework every day in school diary. Do we write our homework every day in school diary? They participate in the debate competition. Do they participate in the debate competition? My brother visits his uncle every Sunday. Does my brother visit his uncles every Sunday? In part H, you have to change sentences into interrogative negative form. She does not play hockey. Does she not play hockey? Tanu does not obey her parents. Does Tanu not obey her parents? The cats chase the rats. Does the cats not chase the rats? The children tease the old man. Do the children not tease the old man? Ramanujan does not have a bicycle. Does Ramanujan not have a bicycle? Okay, students, it's your homework now. I hope you get my concept of today. Do your own remaining parts of ADFH on page number 71, 72, 74, and 77 in your grammar book very neatly. Thank you. Have a great day.